one of the challenges in building a deck on a roof like this that's unlevel is the deck needs to be level. Now, unlike your backyard that may be unlevel when you're building a deck, you can set your post and adjust your framing nice and level, but here it's a little bit more of a challenge. But to solve the problem, a buddy of mine, Dave Rott, has just the solution. Dave, tell us about how you're going to solve this little dilemma.
Well, this is a product, Danny, that's designed by Bison Deck Supports. Can be used in various applications, whether it's in on a patio or even in landscaping. But in this particular application, where it serves a good purpose is not only can you adjust for height, but you can also adjust for pitch in two different directions, whether it's on the top or on the bottom. So with a sloped roof like this one is, we need to be able to come back and dial these into place to support this deck system.
Okay, and I see you also are suggesting putting some thick pads there under it. I guess that's the same kind of material that the roof itself is made out of.
It is. It's a 1/2-inch asphalt type material that'll help cushion the blow so that we're not putting all that weight directly on the roof system.
Okay, well this should be great because you really don't want any type of fasteners going down through this roofing, because sooner or later there's going to be a leak.
Exactly, and with this, with Bison Deck Supports, they've designed this so that you don't have to penetrate the roofing system, so we don't void the manufacturer's warranty on rubber roofs or any other type of, whether it's torch down or other type roof systems.
And this can be used on other areas other than just roofing.
That's right, that's right, patios, landscaping.
Well, this should make it a lot easier for the contractor.